kind of opening it up.
Yeah, right by there, right by there.
It's really hot.
What? You're gonna what? Okay, yeah.
There's just like latch buttons, but you move it side to side. Oh, use that. Oh, I think
Yeah, definitely.
No, it's not. No, seriously, use that.
Well,
Yeah.
There's a lot of space in there.
Yeah, the engine bays are huge.
Yeah, I mean, people put new engines in these things and race them. We should race it.
Yeah, one of our neighbors.
Bill and I are gonna race pretty soon.
Yeah. Can I look at your dipsticks?
Does anyone know anything about cars?
Wait, why do you have two dipsticks?
Yeah, this is four-cylinder. It's four-cylinder. It is? Yeah.
No, you don't. My bike's
Those your coils, spark plug.